Have you ever wondered what the future of artificial intelligence might look like? We've all had those moments of intrigue, pondering over the possibilities of a future intertwined with artificial intelligence. Imagine an era where machines think, learn, and even empathize like humans, or perhaps even surpass us. A future where AI is not just a tool, but an integral part of our lives. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay with us as we journey through the timeline of artificial intelligence, exploring its past, understanding its present, and speculating its future. Artificial intelligence, a term coined by John McCarthy in 1956, has its roots much deeper in history. The concept of creating intelligent machines has fascinated humanity since ancient times. The ancient Greeks, for instance, spun tales of Hephaestus, the god of fire, crafting automated beings out of metal. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and you'll find Rabbi Loew of Prague breathing life into clay, creating a golem. These stories, while fantastical, represent the human longing to replicate our own intelligence in inanimate objects, a dream that would eventually give birth to the field of artificial intelligence. Now, let's take a leap to the 17th and 18th centuries. This era was marked by the creation of mechanical devices that could perform tasks requiring human intelligence. The Mechanical Turk, for example, was a chess-playing automaton that amazed the European courts, though it was later revealed to be a clever hoax. But the real breakthrough came in the 20th century. In the 1940s and 50s, the advent of electronic computers set the stage for AI as we know it. The likes of Alan Turing and John von Neumann laid the groundwork for the field, with Turing proposing the idea of a universal machine that could mimic any human intelligence, a concept we now know as the Turing test. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference marked the birth of AI as a scientific discipline. Attendees like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon, among others, were optimistic about AI's future, predicting that a machine equivalent to human intelligence would be built within their lifetimes. But, as we know, their prediction was a bit optimistic. While there have been significant strides in the field, we're still far from creating a machine that can fully replicate human intelligence. This was just the beginning. The real revolution was yet to come. The late 20th and early 21st century witnessed an unprecedented boom in the field of AI. During this period, artificial intelligence took giant strides forward. Pioneering minds worked tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Machine learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning. These were not just fancy buzzwords, but transformative technologies that were taking shape, redefining how we perceive and interact with machines. Machine learning, for instance, enabled computers to learn from experience. It was no longer about programming a machine to perform specific tasks, but about teaching a machine to learn on its own. Imagine a toddler learning to recognize animals. You don't program their minds with every detail about every animal. They learn by observing, by making connections. That's what machine learning brought to the table. The ability for machines to learn like humans. Deep learning took this a step further. It mimicked the human brain's own neural networks to help machines learn in a more sophisticated, nuanced manner. It's like teaching a teenager to recognize not just animals, but the emotions they express, the moods they exhibit. It's a level of understanding that's deeper, more complex. And then there's reinforcement learning, where machines learn by interacting with their environment. Much like a child learning to walk, machines learn to improve their actions based on the rewards or penalties they receive. It's trial and error, but on a much more complex, dynamic scale. These advancements didn't just stay confined to labs and research papers. They found their way into various sectors: healthcare, finance, transportation, creating waves of change. AI started diagnosing diseases, predicting stock market trends, and even driving cars. It was no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality, transforming how we live and work. The AI boom has transformed our world, but what does the future hold? It's a question that sparks both excitement and apprehension. As we stand on the cusp of an AI-driven era, it's a question that we must explore, understand, and prepare for. Because the future, it seems, is not just about humans, but about intelligent machines too. As we look towards the future, the possibilities of AI seem boundless. In this exciting vista of innovation, our lives are becoming increasingly intertwined with artificial intelligence. From self-driving cars to voice-activated home assistants, AI is already transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. But this is just the beginning. Many experts believe that we are on the cusp of a new era where AI could even surpass human intelligence. Imagine a future where machines can not only learn and adapt, but also think, reason, and make decisions just like us. A future where machines could potentially write novels, compose symphonies, or create breathtaking pieces of art. Yet these advancements also bring forth a plethora of ethical questions and societal implications. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it raises concerns about privacy, job displacement, and even the potential misuse of this technology. There's the question of how we ensure that AI systems are transparent, accountable, and respect our values and rights. Should we worry about a future where AI surpasses human intelligence? Some fear the emergence of super-intelligent AI that could outsmart us, or, worse still, become uncontrollable. Others, however, view this as an opportunity. They believe that AI could help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease eradication. The increasing integration of AI into our everyday lives also presents exciting prospects. We could see a future where AI personalizes education, making learning more engaging and effective. Or a future where AI helps us make better decisions, from what we eat to who we date, by analyzing vast amounts of data that we can't process on our own. But with these advancements come challenges. How do we ensure the benefits of AI are shared equitably? How do we protect against the misuse of AI? And how do we prepare for a future where jobs that exist today might be automated tomorrow? These are not easy questions, and they demand thoughtful discussion, robust policies, and proactive measures. As we move forward, we must ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests, respects our values, and enhances our lives. The future of AI is both exciting and daunting, filled with endless possibilities and challenges. It's a future that promises immense potential, but also demands our careful consideration and stewardship. So, as we stand on the brink of this new era, we must ask ourselves, how can we shape this future to harness the potential of AI while also safeguarding our shared human values? The journey of artificial intelligence has been a fascinating one, from myth and speculation to tangible reality. We've witnessed the dawn of AI, where we saw how it sprouted from the seeds of theoretical concepts to the first concrete implementations. This was a time when machines began to learn, adapt, and even outperform humans in specific tasks, opening a new chapter in the annals of our technological history. Then came the AI boom, a period marked by rapid advancements and widespread adoption. Artificial intelligence started permeating every sector, from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to education. It became a catalyst for change, transforming the way we live, work, and play. Yet it also raised critical questions about ethics, privacy, and job displacement, reminding us that every technology is a double-edged sword. We also explored the future of AI, where the possibilities are as vast as our imagination. We talked about AI becoming more autonomous, more integrated, and more empathetic. We envisioned a world where AI could help solve our biggest challenges, from climate change to global health crises. As we delve deeper into the AI era, the only certainty is that the journey is far from over. The future of AI is a story still being written, and we are all part of it. Artificial intelligence is not just a technological innovation, it's a paradigm shift. It's a shift that, like all monumental changes, comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities. We stand on the brink of a new era, an era where machines can learn, adapt, and even think in ways eerily similar to us humans. This shift impacts every aspect of our society. It's transforming the way we work, play, and even how we interact with each other. It's disrupting traditional industries, creating new ones, and reshaping the global economy. But beyond these, it's also changing us, changing how we perceive the world and how we perceive ourselves within it. AI is powerful. There's no denying that. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must ensure that as we develop and deploy these technologies, we do so with a strong ethical framework in place. We need to consider the wider implications, the potential risks, and the long-term effects on our society. AI is not merely a tool we wield, it's a mirror that reflects our values, our aspirations, and our fears. As we shape AI, it shapes us in return. It's a dance of mutual influence, a dance that we must lead with wisdom and foresight. As we embrace the future of AI, we must remember to use it wisely, ethically, and responsibly. For the future of AI is not just about technology, it's about us, humanity.